Demonstration for the access control with UWB. Murata's UWB module features highly accurate positioning capabilities. This is suitable for use in access controls for residences and offices that require advanced security levels. Demonstration. We mount a board equipped with a UWB module to a miniature door. By using an UWB tag, position detection can be performed from the door side. The detection range is ± 60 degrees starting from the UWB module's antenna. In this demo, the detection range is limited to 1 meter, so that only tags near the door can be detected. This figure shows the distance of the tag from the front of the door and the ± 60 degrees range. We have set the door to lock automatically when the tag moves more than 1 meter away from it. The door unlocks when the tag comes within 1 meter of it. It is also possible to identify whether the tag is on the inside or outside of the door. When the tag is in front of the door, outdoor is displayed. When the tag is to the back of the door, indoor is displayed. Murata's UWB module can be easily integrated into hands-free device operations, such as access controls.